If you've been to Goa, you've probably seen boats taking tourists out to spot dolphins. A new study has found that these dolphins seem to avoid tourist boats, but they sometimes swim close to fishing boats. Researchers tracked the Indian Ocean humpback dolphins using drones over 6 months and used machine learning to analyze the footage. They found that when fishing nets were nearby, dolphins were 330% more likely to forage. The nets concentrate fish, creating feeding opportunities. But tourist boats had the opposite effect. Dolphins were 35% less likely to socialize and 50% less likely to forage when tourist boats were around. Researchers observed boats repeatedly following dolphin groups, sometimes for hours, as the animals surfaced and moved away. The most interesting finding came when both tourist and fishing boats were present. Even though fishing nets offered food, dolphins were 83% less likely to forage if tourist boats were also nearby. It suggests they're constantly weighing the chance to feed against the disturbance caused by boats. The study doesn't show whether these behavioral changes affect dolphin populations in the long run, but they recommend regulating tourism activities such as limiting the number of boats active at a time or avoiding dolphins when they're feeding near fishing nets. India still lacks national guidelines for whale and dolphin watching, and the authors say that better coordination among tourism operators, fisher folk, and authorities could help reduce pressure on these endangered dolphins.